EDO 2020. PDP don't receive more APC members wey comot for APC come join them. PDP campaign train don't continue to record more success from one local government area to another as them don't receive over 3,000 APC members wey don decamp come join PDP. The former APC members talk say them abandon their party when Governor Obaseki and him campaign train land for Onwa East. Una go sabi say wherever you go, we go. Na im be chorus now as PDP campaign train don land for Onwa East local government area wey dey Edo State. For here, PDP received over 3,000 decampees enter their party until September 19 governorship election. Edo State Governor Obaseki wey be PDP gubernatorial candidate na im lead the campaign train go the area and im promise to do plenty things for them if they vote for him to return to second time.
PDP! Power to Warake! The last time when I come here, now when I come start the work for this primary healthcare center for here. As our chairman say, this election not be the one for lie, not be the one for talk. Show me what you don't do for the people. Not tell us what you go do, because the last time when you come, you don't do anything. So, for our government, this last 4 years, we've shown and say we can do something. What about school? I see one woman here, they talk of Edo Best. You see, the one when they deceive us, the money when they're supposed to spend for education all these years, they chop up. So, teacher, not the school. They're not they teach children for school. What will happen? Pikin finish, you not go figure work. You go come be Agbero. Now we say never again in the history of Edo State. We go put money for education. We don't introduce Edo Best. Now Pikin they learn for school. By the time Pikin leave school, he go get sense. He go know what to do. Nobody go deceive him. Say work there somewhere, work there. He go enter computer himself to see for himself. What about the women here? I come this place. I see say they deliver woman when one born. Now touchlight, now they bring out. I nearly cry. I say for 2019, this was my last year. We still do this kind of thing for Africa? I said never. We start what we call Edo Health Improvement Program. So you see all of our PHC now. Solar must stay, so light stay. Water must stay. We fence them, put security. We train the nurses, we train the workers when they there. So that people don't go suffer again. So politics when you not benefit una, make una reject them. That politics when Godfather put say not only for them and the people when they like, we don't reject them. So this election now a choice between us going back to where we come from or whether we want to make progress.
Women, oh yeah, you train a woman, no woman, you neglect a woman. I say make a hail on her well, because I say women plenty for here. And this one be the first time when they carry microphone give me. So as they give me so, we the women, we go show them say, for Warake, as they allow women talk so, women go show them say, now women 9 day Warake. Anybody when they threaten on her, make her tell the person say, what thing they don't do for now before. Now the government we go remember women, now be this. Now the man when don't say women day, now be this. Now the man when respect women, now be this.
So we want to decamp from APC to PDP. We don't need your yeah. Somebody say bye-bye to your yeah. Now the cabinet is from one Sarah.
The ability and the untiring determination to create PDP in Warake Ward 11, we will fight until September 19th, and by the grace of God, we will deliver. Today that we are opportuned to have the people's governor, the governor who has the interest of the common man at heart. We have him in Warake. We are appealing to him that he should try his best and cut this road for us, so that we have something to point to in our time.
When I say make I do road, the road when you go there, forget it. I go do that road immediately. You know why? We need more land, so I go do that road so that we open up more space for agriculture. So by the grace of God, when we come back here, not be this one we're going to talk. Everybody go don't get money for a pocket. Because every day you go out, you go do something, either you farm rice or you do one work or another, so that you're not going to beg. Godfather wants us to always beg. When they look up to them, say, give me, give me, give me. That's now why they do what they do. So this election is what we call freedom election. The election to free Edo State permanently from any Godfather. So on the 19th of September, make all of una wake up. Come out. Call everybody. No fear. Nobody go touch una. Nothing go happen. Make una no fear. Nothing go happen. They're not going to feel touch una. Women, una come out. No, una come vote. Make una don't let anybody threaten una. As governor, we will maintain law and order. So on the 19th of September, make una come out. Go polling unit. Una go take the ballot paper. Bring them out and vote for.
As these two people come talk for here, that they tell us what the Obaseki don't do. The other people, they don't get anything to tell us. Obaseki don't do this. They say for agriculture, it do farm. For agriculture, it don't improve the yield where we get for our farms. For schools, una don't see say our schools don't take a new look. Now students they sabi use computers. Even when una look across this road, una go see what the Obaseki don't do. I beg, let God continue to give support to Obaseki so that he go continue the good work where they do for Edo State.
You see, this my father here blessed me some time ago. Alago Down Summit 2018. You see, time has gone by. The disabled, I want to appreciate my father and also tell him that the disabled, we are for him. This time, I mean we are for him. Like, please sir, what I would like you to do for us is to say strategic locations. Let our polling units be sited where the disabled can also practice their franchise. Why? Because we have been neglected. If not for my talent, I wouldn't have known him. He did well, and he is still doing well.
They kill us for Libya. Now Obaseki say no. I don't want to like this. Make my children come house. Now Obaseki bring us to house. As we dey reach Lagos like this, bam, Obaseki bring motor. Obaseki use motor carry us from Lagos. Almost 20 bus. He carry us come Edo Motel Plaza. As we reach Edo State, we reach Edo Motel Plaza. Obaseki keep us for there for 2 months. Obaseki begin to feed us. Obaseki begin to give us life. Obaseki begin to tell us about life. Obaseki begin to tell us say life continue. See, the person when he be say he do all those one, we go live no. Person when he do all those one for us, we go live no. You know see I say Obaseki na good man. Yeah. Go get her.
Governor Obaseki and other leaders of the party shocked for the kind support when they receive from the people within the local government area. This one are the ogbonge informate will carry come give una on top inside Edo today, as PDP don't receive over 3,000 decampees enter their party. Make una sabi say na TMC TV na im carry this ogbonge updates come give una. My name na Edo Gogo Edole.